Hello students, today will we discuss about डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम। ठीक है, इंट्रोडक्शन। सबसे पहले हम इनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे, ये कौन थे। डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम इन फुल नेम अबुल फ़ाकिर जैनुलब्दीन अब्दुल कलाम, बॉर्न अक्टूबर 15, 1931 रामेश्वरम। इनका जन्म कहाँ हुआ? 31 में रामेश्वरम में हुआ। India died July 27, 2015, Shillong. Indian scientist and politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology and in 1958 joined the Defence Research and Development Organization यानी कि DRDO. In 1969, he moved to the Indian Space Research Organization. Where he was project director of the SLV third, the first satellite launch vehicle that was both designed and produced in India. Rejoining the DRDO in 1982, Kalam planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles, which helped earn him the nickname Missile Man. Next, the scientific advisor. From 1992 to 1997, Kalam was scientific advisor to the Defence Minister, and he later served as principal scientific advisor to the government with the rank of cabinet minister. His prominent role in country's 1998 nuclear weapons test solidified India as a nuclear power. And established Kalam as a national hero. Although the tests caused great concern in the international community, in 2002, India's ruling National Democratic Alliance (NDA) put forward Kalam to succeed. Outgoing President Kochiril Raman Narayan. Kalam was nominated by the Hindus nationalist यानी हिंदुत्व NDA even though he was Muslim, and his stature and popular appeal were such as the even main opposition party. The Indian National Congress also proposed his candidacy. He left office at the end of his term in 2007. Kalam wrote several books, including an autobiography, Wings of Fire, 1999, Among his numerous awards were two of the country's highest honors, the Padma Vibhushan 1990 and the Bharat Ratna 1997. Next, the presidency. Kalam served as the 11th President of India, succeeding R.K. Narayan. He won the 2002 presidential election with an electoral vote. His term lasted from 25 July 2002 to 25 July 2007. During his term as president, he was affectionately known as the People's President. Next, awards and honors. During his lifetime, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was not awarded and honored by Indian organizations and committees, but also by many international organizations and committees. Next, writing and character. During his lifetime, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam wrote many books, but his most notable work was India 2020, which have an action plan to India's superpower. Next, death. On 27th July 2015, Kalam travelled to Shillong to deliver a lecture on creating a livable planet Earth at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. While climbing a flight of stairs, he experienced some discomfort, but was able to enter the auditorium after a brief rest at around 6:35 p.m. IST. Only 5 minutes into his lectures, he collapsed. He was rushed to the nearby Bethany Hospital in a critical condition. Upon arrival, he lacked a pulse or any other signs of life. Despite being placed in the intensive care unit, Kalam was confirmed dead or sudden cardiac arrest at 7:45 p.m. IST. Abul Pakar Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in the pilgrimage center of Rameshwaram on Vaman Island, then in the Madras Presidency and now in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father Jalaluddin was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque. His mother Ashima was a housewife. His father owned a ferry that took Hindu pilgrims back and forth between Rameshwaram and the now uninhabited Dhanuskodi. Kalam was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister in his family. His ancestors had been wealthy traders and landowners with numerous properties and large tracts of land. Their business had involved trading groceries between the mainland and the island and to from Sri Lanka, as well as ferrying pilgrims between the mainland and Pamban. As a result, the family acquired the title Marakalam Ayakkar, which over the years became shortened to Markir with the opening of the Pamban Bridge to the mainland in 1914. However, the business failed and the family fortune and properties were lost over time. Apart from the ancestral home by his early childhood, Kalam's family had become poor. At an early age, he sold newspapers to supplement his family's income. He started his career by designing a small hovercraft, but remained unconvinced by his choice of a job at DRDO. Kalam was also part of INPOS per committee working under Vikram Sarabhai, the renowned space scientist. In 1969, Kalam was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम ने कहा है, दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट स्टेज इन विच आई लर्नड लीडरशिप फ्रॉम 3 ग्रेट टीचर्स, डॉक्टर विक्रम साराभाई, प्रोफेसर सतीश धवन और डॉक्टर ब्राह्मण प्रकाश. दिस वॉज द टाइम ऑफ लर्निंग एंड एक्विजिशन ऑफ नॉलेज फॉर मी. After graduating from the Madras Institute of Technology in 1960, Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development established of the Defence Research and Development Organization. By Press Information Bureau, Government of India, as a scientist after becoming a member of the Defence Research and Development Service. Okay, thank you for watching.